My name is Shadreck Namangolwa from Central Province, Kabwe District. With me here, I have advice I'm calling an I-tenna, a smart device that thinks like a human, coming to eliminate the usage of satellite dishes, the antennas, the cables, or such kind of connectivity. With it, it's paired with this product called Media Star. This decoder has got memory to allow the system, that is the I-tenna, to be included in this decoder with no use of the dish. This is a port used for dish in most cases. So this I-tenna has come to eliminate the usage of satellite dishes when we use it in this way. Once we connect, we no longer need dishes, and this can work anywhere in the world, dependent of content. We don't provide content ourselves. We still have all rights to content providers, people who sell contents to everyone. But with an I-tenna, works anywhere in the world. It's been powered with AI, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. Thank you so much.